G'day viewers, all my dial lamps finally arrived. I got my schematics book here and did some careful revision. Triple checked all the wires onto the right spot, and sure enough I replaced the dial lamps and it's working quite well. I got some bloody reg bulbs, 12 volt miniature reg bulbs to replace those two blown bulbs in the tuning eye. And they were 9 volt at 0.02 amp they were rated at. The 12 volt ones seemed to work quite well. Now I turn it on. Look at that!
June 28 and winner published at sunfm.com.au. Spars.
Now, other than this thing being an absolute nightmare to work on, everything just so crammed up and the wires just snap off like twigs. I bloody cooked the hell out of that switch in the process trying to solder the main power wire for this dial light assembly. It all goes to the same point, but I just put it off, tapped off the switch, it's just easier. So I had to rebuild that pilot light switch because a bloody soldering iron, a piece of garbage, went and bloody destroyed the substrate circuit board that the actual slider contact assembly rides on, and it bubbled it and jammed the switch up, so I had to pull it all apart, file it down and put it back together, and the spring came out of it. Now it's a nightmare, but I've managed to fix it up properly now. Obviously extra load makes a bit of hum. It's supposed to run off a battery, not off an AC like this, but I've even made a little battery cover for it there. There's some plastic from the HP printer I scrapped. That's the plastic that holds the scanner paper down on the scanner. It's the perfect plastic for this. I made a provision for the car antenna and normal portable antenna switch there. I'm going to drill a hole and put a wall wart plug there. This is running off a wall wart. 12 volt 2 amp wall wart should be good for this. Might lack some filtration. Wrap those wires around a ferrite ring or something to give it some extra filtration.
I do. Do you know that your government has given Apex Energy exploration licenses?
Shortwave. Oh, look at that! Beautiful! There you go! Definitely worth the messing and screwing around getting this thing restored. That's pretty. That works quite well. Yep, works quite beautifully, that. I've got the line in, pickup input working too. I just had to clean the contacts, so I had my iPod plugged into this. It's a hell of a lot louder and clearer than what the performance this is on the radio. So the amplifier stage on this was actually quite powerful.
Why that was a good thing to do. Premier, how, when you say the next Liberal National Government will ensure that mining cannot occur in Edward Water catchment...
Well, Chenny and Alan Jones here, I get a good clear, you follow the green and it should clear up.
No buts, no guarantees. How, when you can say that, and you've agreed this morning that you agree that, how, and you do the opposite, how's that different from Julia Gillard saying there'll be no carbon tax under the government I love?
As long as the green fades in more, that tells you you're spot on the station.
Whether it's strategic agricultural
land or that's one fully restored, 100% restored, sharp, FV7 1700.
That's why we're expecting a report from her next month about how we...
Sweet. Finally, it's all up to fully 100% operational condition.
Catchment areas up
anyway, viewers,
there's an application...
Let's see what else I can make a video on. What else has been happening here? Hey viewers, further stripping down that printer, these paper rollers fit quite snugly down this air cannon barrel. Now I'm going to have some fun with these. I've already launched this one at the steel plate, close range. There's no mark on this. I think this is actually hardened steel. Not a single mark on that. What about this one actually? No, it was this one. Yeah. Might sharpen a point on that and make these, put these in the back. Drag all those rubber rollers to the very back. They're going to be fun. I've got some more there. Oh, that's probably, I think that's too big. Got some rubber tyres there I can use as a Sebos. Yeah, actually quite fun, this little air cannon. And I got another motor. This came out of the scanner assembly. Yeah, it's hidden inside a plastic paper feed mechanism. I thought it was just a hunk of plastic with two sensors, but further dissection revealed this. Quite a nice little geared mechanism. These gears are always, these two gears here will always turn the same way. I'll have to demonstrate this off camera, on camera later on. Power the motor up. They'll always spin the same way, no matter what direction the motor's going. That's cool. This mechanism is too cool to pop the motor on, so I'll keep this one. Interesting stuff. That's definitely too cool to pop. Ink pump, you can see there, it's stored for a couple of days, and the chances are absorbed the ink mess off that in there. Made a nice little piece of art there on that white rag. Keep those anyway. We've also got another ballast. They've upgraded our kettle to something that's quicker boiling. This thing just takes too long to boil now. I poured the base off, checked the contacts, and they all seem clean, so this is a 2.2 to 2.4 kilowatt. The replacement's only a 2 kilowatt. So I might use that. It's still working fine, so I might just use it as a normal kettle. I'll just boil. I could just have a cup of tea while I'm using it as a ballast. So I have a cup of tea time as I'm popping stuff. So that'll be handy. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching. Oh, so cute. Hey, kitty. Hey, Whiskers. Hey, Charlotte. You like to sniff my phone, don't you? Oh, they're so cute. Yeah, one minute you're hiding shut on there, you're keeping up cozy, eh? Keeping warm, eh? You little kitties. Oh, just too cute for words. Oh.